So, I asked around and I also checked kasi may nag-comment. Sabi niya, want to try this though hindi po ako curly hair. Pwede ba din po ba gumamit or mako-curly yung hair ko? That's quite a tricky question na. But then, as I figured it out, pwede pala guys. Pwede pala siyang gamitin. And don't worry kung hindi talaga kulot yung buhok mo or if straight ka talaga. Kasi hindi nito mababago ang hair type mo. So, think of this as a lotion pero para sa buhok ha. Ang main job niya is to moisturize and to tame the frizz. So, kung ang problem mo is tikwas yung buhok mo, flyaways, or feeling dry sa ends ng hair mo dahil sa init or sa pagpapakolor ng hair mo, this is perfect for you. Ang maganda kasi dito is it is made with avocado and tea tree oil. So, napaka-natural lang niya. Mabango siya, fresh, at ang pinaka-importante, hindi siya mabigat sa buhok. So, this is how it looks after I fully applied it sa buhok ko na medyo dry na siya, about 50% dry na siguro to siya around this time. At nakaidlip nga ako, so this is how it looks like when fully dried na yung hair ko. As you can see, medyo naging klaro na yung curls ko and look how defined they are. Hindi siya yung sabog na buhaghag. 'Di ba? At ang bango niya, super soft din siya hawakan. Nakaka-good vibes talaga. So if you want to try this out, just check my link down below.